When I thought about my first summer living in my van, Colorado did not come to mind for me. I've really struggled to like Colorado in the past, with most of my time being in the Denver area. And I think it was always the right combination of too many people, traffic, and, well, there was the time my van broke down for almost a month there. So I'm out here trying to change my own mind, and let me tell you, when I rolled into the San Juan Mountains, I was a changed woman. I'm really trying to embrace slow travel. I had such a love-hate experience with travel before living on the road full-time. I would become so restless in my apartment, and it would build and build until I could get on the road. And then I just piled on all the destinations, consuming places more than I was really enjoying them. And so now, in this era of slow travel, I'm really relishing these moments of playing tourist, but also being a homebody in a new place. It feels so contradictory to travel to a new place and then camp out in my van for several days, but it helps me connect with the place and makes this lifestyle a lot more sustainable for me. I have been on quite a few adventures over the last couple weeks, and I'm going to do my best to show you what I've been up to. I think if I had to name this chapter of van life, it would be terrified but thriving and touching rock. Hi, hello. So I started this tradition where every year I do something that scares me. Bonus points if it's on my birthday. Why do I do this? So for this year's scary endeavor, my friends and I impulsively booked the Telluride, Colorado Via Ferrata. I am unwell. My hands are sweating. It is tomorrow. What is funny about this particular scary exercise for this year is I did a Via Ferrata already in Norway, the Trolltunga, and I vowed to never again put myself through something like that. But here we are. Wish me luck. After surviving the Via Ferrata, I have been trying to spend as much time as possible outside enjoying this beautiful place. I'm still learning the balance of wanting to see it all, yet leaving some things undiscovered for next time. If there is a next time. That's one of the best and worst parts of van life. You leave a place not knowing if you will be back, and I often wonder how many pieces of my heart I have left to leave in places like this. This chapter of living on the road in Colorado has helped me challenge myself in so many ways. And so, as I leave to start heading west, I'd say that I definitely had a change of heart with Colorado. And I'm grateful for these memories I'll take with me on the road to the next place. So, thank you, Colorado, for bringing me to new heights, literally, and in getting to know myself more.